Then next is an improvement which is almost ready to go. I dedicated a separate tab in the configuration for the API and agents, which includes the API keys and steps to connect your API agents, which would be either command line improvements like for Claude and for Codex. For Cursor and for VS Code, these are just clickable things which will, you can see this probably. It shows you the prompt to open VS Code and immediately connect it within the VS Code or Cursor. Now nobody has an excuse to not connect it to OpenCode. It has a little bit special instructions, so you can copy paste this into the OpenCode. We'll see in telemetry who leverage that button and connect it to private instance. But that actually is super helpful to me. And generic JSON configuration can paste to your typical MCP config. So like all different options, mostly copy, paste, run, or just click a button. I love the cursor, to be honest, in terms of onboarding, just one command and it's already in cursor. So this is pretty much almost ready to go. We'll see it sometime very soon.